Hello everyone, I'm Vani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Here's my lecture video series on topic regression and big data in machine learning using Python. Here, let's see what is regression and what are the types of regression and how it is useful for a real world problem. Let's see. A regression is a supervised technique, a goal to predict numerical values based on dependent and independent variables. Here independent and dependent variables are trying to predict data is a dependent variable, whereas the influence of this prediction is known as independent variables. Example for is house price prediction. The independent variables is number of rooms. Regression are used to analyze real world continuous problem works. Here let's define what are the types of regression and how it is useful for us. Regression has the following types. The first one is simple linear regression, which is most widely used for a statistical approach. This is the most common approach we will use widely. The next one is multiple linear. These are multiple independent variables to predict target value. The next one is polynomial approach, which is a non-linear relationship between a dependent and independent variables. The next one is ridge and lasso, which is used to avoid overfitting. The next one is support vector regression, which minimizes the sum of squared residuals between predicted and actual values. The last one is decision tree, which makes a decision based on their outcomes, and a random forest approach, which builds multiple decision trees. These are the following types of regression and how it is used for analyzing data. Now, how a regression evaluates and what are the metrics used for evaluation. That is mean absolute evaluation, which is used to measure about a mean predictor outcome. The next one is mean squared estimation, which is used to calculate the average squared between predicted and actual variables. The next one is RMSE, which it is a balanced real-time outliers, used to predict the outliers in outliers and actual values. The next one is R2 score, which indicates a best fit and better fit arranged as zeros and 1. These are the following evaluation metrics in a regression used to calculate data sets. Here, how an application of regression, what are the applications of regression and how it will be useful to us. The application of regressions are predicting house prices, forecasting trends, identifying risk factors, marking decisions, which are the followings of applications of prediction. Here, the advantages of is easily understand and robust to this outlier, and disadvantages that it will correlate to each other. These are the following advantage and disadvantage of regression, which is recommended in computation for a computation challenge with the distributing computational tools. Here, let's see what are the detailed of regression and how it is useful for its practical application, and how it is how we understand its fundamental concept in the following session.